Hello, everyone. Welcome to part two of my last pour.
So this is completely dried up. Now I would like to do some embellishment. I think I put it wrong. This is this way. Okay, so I drew a circle right here, and I would like to paint outside with, this time I'm using matte paint from Apple Barrel. It's a acrylic craft paint, and it says it's quick drying, so I would like to use this on the outside. I did this white paint outside, but now I want to create something 3D here with gold, kind of a gold tray, as if it is in a hurricane, all the branches going down, something of that sort. But gold on white won't look good, so I'm trying to do it black all around and then do some gold accent. Let's see how it will go. I'm trying the black one here now. I like the cracked paint kind of thing that I got from the white matte paint. I really liked it. I'm not sure with this black I can still retain it or not, but let's see.
So, I plan to use this matte white paint elsewhere since I like its crackling effect. But at this time, I decided to go with the black. Actually, initially, I thought I will paint purple and yellow flowers on it. But in the back of my mind, I wanted to go with 3D embellishment. And these flowy lines convinced me to go with gold tree. Um, But since I had already painted it white, I tried convincing myself to do something that will go with the paint. Um, but once my heart is set on an idea, I don't think I will even listen to myself. No matter how much longer route I have to take, I'll make it happen. So here goes nothing. I'm painting it black. I would love to hear if anyone else is also like me, and let me know how did it turn out. Were you happy with it? Do you always go with the gut, and does it serve you well? I hope so.
So I painted it completely, and even the sides, but I'm not sure whether you can see the cracked paint texture in it, and I really liked it. So I'm so happy that I can retain it. Uh, I didn't use crackle paint as some of the artists use it. I didn't just use matte white paint from Apple Barrel, and I dried with this cracked kind of thing as if it is leather, and it is showing in the black paint as well. So I'm quite happy with that. So it's just giving it very good texture. So let's just wait for it to dry, and then we'll start the next process. So here's the final piece. Let me show you from close up. So this is our glue gun with gold foil and our tree with gold and copper shimmer, and all the flowers. I made some glue gun flowers, but then I added a couple more just with paint. So these are just with paint. And here's the overall piece. I really liked the black with the cracked paint is showing from underneath, and it looks like as if it is leather. I'm not sure if the camera is picking up, but let me pick this piece and perhaps you may be able to see. And then I just dabbed it with a little bit of gold with the sponge. So nothing extensive, but I really like this piece. Let me know what you think of it.